Welcome back to Arthur's Garden and Life. I got something to talk to you about okra. Now, my okra plants last year did very well. This year they're a little slow getting started, but I got slow started planting them. I want to show you what you want to see and what you don't mean nothing, okay? All right, well, here we go. Let's get with it. This is what you want to see with your okra plants. I got 2 okra plants here that's just starting to flower. And what I mean by flower is, see the little flower on it? That's the flower. Okay. This is what every okra grower wants to see. See these little buds up here? That only means that the flower is coming. That's all it means. They're not going to grow and nothing like that until they get the flower. Once they get the flower, then it's on. And I'm just starting now to see with these plants. See how big and thick the stems are? The roots coming up out the ground. They're healthy plants, but they haven't been getting flowers until lately. And I just fertilized them. And maybe that was the kick that they needed to start flowering. So, as you can see, flowers are starting to pop, and I will be having okra soon. This is a good sign. I've been waiting on this because I like okra. Okra is good, delicious. My wife puts it in soups, and I just eat it up. If you look way back there to the other side, there's a flower growing back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I see it because it's different color. Now these okra plants I started these a little later. They're not flowering, but they got little buds. If you get in close, you can see them. The little tiny buds, but they have to flower. Once they flower, then the flowers will fall off and it'll look like a little soldier there sometimes. But it's a good thing to see them flower. I'm so happy. It's been raining a lot here in South Carolina, and that only means I don't have to water on those days. I'm happy to see the rain because it's been hot. We've been like in the 90s, 80s, 90s and above, but today it feels like it's 70 degrees. It's nice. There's no sun in the sky. You know, it's kind of overcast, and it's a great day. It's almost 9 o'clock, and it's like this, which is good. And I'm going to leave you with this thought. This is what you want to see on your okra plants. I'm Arthur from Arthur's Garden and Life. Keep on growing, and don't give up. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep dreaming, keep pushing, keep going. You can do it. You can do it. You can grow. Keep up the good work. Bye for now.